No one likes to fill out forms. It's tedious and often confusing. Well, I have good news. I'm going to walk you through the application process to receive your FSA ID. This is the ID you will need to fill out the FAFSA. Hi, I'm Carolyn Smith, and I'm here to help you navigate the college application process. I'm an educator and mom of 4 college graduates. I know college application time can be overwhelming and stressful. I'm on a mission to remove the stress and overwhelm and make it easier for you to achieve your college dream. So let's get started. Just to review, FAFSA stands for Free Application for Federal Student Aid. This information is used to determine your eligibility for federal student aid, grants, loans, and work-study funds. The FAFSA is available October 1st for the following school year. Parents and students will each need their own FSA ID in order to fill out the FAFSA. The FSA ID process consists of these main steps. On your computer, you will go to studentaid.gov. From there, you will click on Create Account link. You'll see a brief explanation about the FSA ID. Scroll down and click on Let's Get Started. You'll need to fill in your full name. Enter your middle initial exactly as it appears on your Social Security card. The government will use what is on your Social Security card to verify your identity. Next, you will add a valid birth date and Social Security number. Double check to make sure you are entering the numbers correctly. If at any time you become confused about what to enter, you can click on the small question mark to the right of each box. More information will be shown, which might be helpful. Set up your password for your account and record your password in a safe place for future reference. The FAFSA has to be completed each year, so you'll need to have access to your password when it comes time to file again. On the next page, you will add your mailing address and phone number. Make sure you set up your mobile number for account recovery in the event you lose your password. You'll need to complete the challenge questions and answers, and then record your responses. I don't know how many times one of the questions is, "What is your favorite movie?" Since I have so many favorites, it's always helpful if I record my answer so that I can give the correct response. Then all you have to do is check over all your answers and agree to the terms and conditions, and that's it. From the time you apply, it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days to receive an email confirming your FSA ID. If you found this helpful, be sure and hit those like and subscribe buttons. It really helps my channel reach more students and parents. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it.